This is the 10 by 96 Cincinnati cylindrical grinder. Give you a bit of an overview here. It does have an updated variable speed for the workhead. Readout for the in-feed. Coolant tank magnetic separator. You got power on it. We'll go ahead and show you. It does have a readout on it. It does work. Readout's a little bit faint, but it is working. Grinding spindles on. Vary the speed on the workhead. Vary the speed there on the table. Thick feed. Slowing the table down. Once again, that was the pick feed. It's all working. Sounds great. Nice machine. Ready to go.